Hi, this is Sai Shetty and I'm a legal intern at Lex and Company. Today I'm going to discuss about a case called Rajiv Dinesh Gadkari versus Srimati Nilangi Rajiv Gadkari. This was a case of divorce that the wife sought for divorce under the head cruelty, under the ground cruelty, and she was granted the same. So let's talk about this case further. So the facts of this case was as follows. Both the parties over here got married on 26 June 2002 at Nashik under the Hindu Vedic rites. After the marriage, they both went to USA. Over where the respondent or the wife, after reaching USA, the husband insisted the wife to change her lifestyle according to the American lifestyle. He insisted her to cut her hair and compelled her to eat beef and pork. Moreover, he also compelled her to prepare those pork and beef at home. And if she refused, the husband used to shout at her. He showed no respect to the Hindu god and deities and didn't give her money to even buy the Indian food. The husband was even compelled her to give alcohol and criticized and scolded her as she was Indian and didn't follow the American lifestyle. He also forced her to live with the boys and wear short and vulgar clothes, which she disliked, and was compelled to mix with other people that are there in the cities. It also in the case where the husband mother came over US, she also did the same thing. She also compelled her to change herself to a American girl, and so that society will accept her. She didn't like her daughter-in-law as a Indian, and she, moreover, taking the side of his son. She also said her to change into a American girl and do all the activities that his son wants her to do. After some times, the wife had an exam at India, MA exam she had, and she came back to India. After she came back to India, she never went back to USA. As she left her all the jewelries and all her assets over USA, that's why she wrote a letter seeking for the divorce from the husband. Subsequently, the husband denied, and latterly the husband alleged the wife that she stole the jewelry and some other articles from the US, and she also engaged herself in the cybercrime. Subsequently, the matter came to the court, and the court over here had decided very judiciously, looking on each and every fact of this case. The family court over here, after looking into every facts and circumstances of the case, decided that the husband did cruelty to his wife, and that's why the wife was liable for the relief that she claimed. And cruelty, as per it is a ground of judicial separation, as a ground of divorce, then the wife can get it as she suffered cruelty from her husband. Over here, the court says that it is a case of mental cruelty, where the husband forcefully wants to change her lifestyle of the wife without her consent. The cruelty can be of physical or of mental. Mental cruelty has been defined in Section 13(1) IA of the Hindu Marriage Act. It says that the cruelty in which the conduct which inflicts upon the party such a mental pain and suffering as it could be impossible for the other party to live within the relation, then this will be called as mental cruelty. In other words, mental cruelty must be of such nature that the parties cannot expected to live together. In such situation, they must seek for divorce and they should get the matrimonial relief. So this was the case of a matrimonial relief. Hope you understand, and thank you.